mabigat. Ayan, at pinakamalaking crocodile. Sa kabilang buhaya, ayan, nasa kabila naman si Sugar ang pangalan, okay? Ito si Tozy, alright? Sabay-sabay po natin itong gagawin, ang ating giant crocodile encounter. Pareho po silang 60 feet at silang alpha male, okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng alpha male? Sila alpha male, ibig sabihin dominant male, okay? Dominant sila. Ibig sabihin, pag-aari ilang teritoryo. Sila yung malalakas sa kanilang teritoryo, okay? Kapag may alpha male sa wild, ang ginagawa ng ibang crocodile, tinataas nila yung kanilang ulo for submittance, okay? Ayan, sign of vow, okay? Yun. Yung mga ibang crocodile, yung mga receptive crocodile, tinataas nila yung kanilang ulo. Okay, guys? In this presentation, we will be showing you how a crocodile would react in the wild once we invade their territory because crocodile territorial, okay? Ayan mga kaibigan, na tumitimbang na po sila approximately 800 to 1,000 kilogram. And 5% of their body weight, yun po yung kailangan nilang kain for the entire week. And what is the 5% of 1,000? Magaling sa math. 5% of 1,000. Santa Rosa Science and Technology. High school. Tama ba? Alan?
Nakaya!
Very good. Akala ko hindi nyo masasagot. Ayan mga kaibigan. 3. Go, go, go. Lema mo na sa tubig. Nagsimula na ba sa kapila? Ha? And guys, there is a tendency for you to get wet. And we are not doing this to hurt our crocodile brothers. We would like to show you how a crocodile would react in the wild once we invade their territory, okay? Ayan.